How 3D graphics created by the JS library. As WebGL was introduced, which stands for Web Graphics Library, it became easier to write scripts and see results output as visual graphics and animation effects. Three.Js is one type of a single JavaScript file and includes features like effects, scenes, cameras, lights, sky, materials, meshes, shaders, animations, and 3D objects. If you really want to display anything with Three.Js library, you need three things: scene, camera, and renderer, so that we can render the scene with a camera. Some key features of Three.Js which make it so popular amongst interactive 3D animated websites and applications. Scenes allow you to set up what thing you want to do and where this thing is to be rendered by Three.Js. It is where you place objects, lights, and cameras, and you can also add and remove objects at runtime. One can apply an abstract base class filter for cameras, and every time you build a new camera it automatically builds a class, and class should always be generic when you build a new camera. Faces, edges, and vertices make up the meshes of a polygonal model. The light in Three.Js helps to revert an ambient light. Even though a Lambert material applied, we have no light in the scene. You can measure a set of objects. For this you will need a helper variable called t for counting the forgotten time, and then add it right before the render function. If you use a loop in your scene, you should always use request, animation, frame. It is the easiest and most innovative method to handle animation in the browser. Materials help to make the appearance of objects in the browser. With the help of material, one can write shades for everything that is being rendered.